Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have the new Xiaomi Mi Sound Outdoor Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings and clear all of the pairing history off of this speaker. There's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting if you're having issues with this speaker not pairing with your phone or other device, or if it's not syncing or connecting to Bluetooth, or if there's sound issues. Anything like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is just for any variety of reasons where you want to delete all of the pairing history so it's not pairing to different devices, so that you can basically set it up and pair it to a new phone or a new sound source as though it were a brand new speaker. So this is really easy to do. All we need to do is with it on, if we just come in and press and hold the play and the volume up buttons for 2 seconds, this will clear out all of the pairing history. It will restore the default settings, which is basically the volume. It'll restore the volume back to the default setting. And then we can go ahead and set this speaker up like a brand new speaker. So if this worked for you, if you would please leave me a like, I would really appreciate it.